did they build that? The United States is filled with structures that defy gravity and logic. These landmarks aren't just pretty to look at. They are monuments to human ambition. Wait until you see the sheer scale of our number one pick. Kicking off at number 10 is Seattle's Space Needle. Built for the 1962 World's Fair, it was designed to withstand winds of 200 miles per hour. It looks like a flying saucer on a tripod, symbolizing the futuristic dreams of the space age. At number 9, we have the Gateway Arch in St. Louis. This is the world's tallest arch, standing 630 feet high. It is an engineering miracle because the two legs were built separately and had to meet perfectly at the top. The margin for error was less than 1/64th of an inch. If the calculations were slightly off, the entire structure would have failed. Today, you can ride a tram to the very top and look out over the Mississippi River. Number 8 is a literal mountain of work, Mount Rushmore. Sculptor Gutzon Borglum and his team used dynamite to carve 60-foot faces into the granite of the Black Hills. It took 14 years to complete this massive tribute to 4 American presidents. Coming in at number 7 is a symbol of resilience. One World Trade Center in New York. Standing at a symbolic 1,776 feet, it is the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The engineering focus here was on safety and strength. Number 6 is the Washington Monument. It is the world's tallest stone structure and world's tallest obelisk. Construction stopped for 20 years due to lack of funds and the Civil War, which is why you can see a slight color change in the stones halfway up. At number 5 is the Empire State Building. What makes this incredible is the speed of construction. It was built during the Great Depression in just 1 year and 45 days. Workers added 4.5 stories every single week. It held the title of the world's tallest building for nearly 40 years. The steel workers, famously photographed eating lunch on beams high above the city, risked their lives daily to assemble this Art Deco masterpiece. Number 4 is the Golden Gate Bridge. Engineers said it couldn't be done due to the strong currents and fog of the San Francisco Bay. The suspension cables are massive, spun together. The wire would circle the earth 3 times. At number 3, the Brooklyn Bridge. Opened in 1883, it was the first steel wire suspension bridge. The construction was deadly. Workers suffered from the bends while working in underwater caissons. It connected Manhattan and Brooklyn forever. After the chief engineer died and his son fell ill, Emily Roebling stepped in. She managed the project for over a decade, proving to be an engineering genius herself. It stands today as a testament to that family's sacrifice. The runner-up at number 2 is the Hoover Dam. Taming the mighty Colorado River required enough concrete to pave a highway from San Francisco to New York. It created Lake Mead and powered the growth of Las Vegas and Los Angeles. To build it, they had to divert the entire river through tunnels blasted into the canyon walls. The heat was so intense that workers poured the concrete in individual blocks, cooled by ice water pipes, or it would have taken 100 years to dry. Finally, at number 1, the Statue of Liberty. While a gift from France, the engineering inside is pure American brilliance, designed by Gustave Eiffel. The copper skin is less than 2 pennies thick, hung on a flexible iron skeleton. This design allows the statue to sway in the wind without breaking. It was a revolutionary approach to structure that paved the way for modern skyscrapers. Lady Liberty isn't just a symbol of freedom. She is a masterclass in structural engineering. She stands over 300 feet tall, welcoming visitors to New York Harbor. The combination of art and industrial engineering makes the Statue of Liberty the greatest man-made landmark in the country. These 10 marvels show that with enough determination, we can move mountains and tame rivers. They define the American landscape. Which of these engineering feats impresses you the most? Thanks for watching. If you love engineering and history, make sure to subscribe to Top 10 Repo and hit the bell for more amazing videos.